Welcome all to the online faculty development program offered by Kavi Kulguru Kalidas Sanskrit University Ramtek. I am Gaurav Kadlak and today we are going to learn optical character recognition for Sanskrit language. What is OCR? Optical character recognition or optical character reader is the electronic or mechanical conversion of images of typed, handwritten or printed text into machine encoded text. If you have a raw image of any handwritten or printed text, then you can convert it to the computer text using OCR. So, what is Sanskrit OCR? Sanskrit OCR is a conversion of images of typed or handwritten text in Sanskrit language into Unicode character text. Remember, the text to be converted will be in the Unicode character only. There are two types of Sanskrit OCR. One is a software-based offline Sanskrit OCR, which is in developing phase, which is not so reliable to use. Second is Google OCR API or known as Cloud Vision API. Cloud Vision API's text recognition feature is able to detect a wide variety of languages and can detect multiple languages within a single image. So what are the features of Cloud Vision API's text recognition? It can detect wide variety of languages. Almost all major Indian languages and Indian scripts can be detected. Can detect multiple languages within a single page. It can also detect the handwritten text. Providing a language into the service is not required. That means you do not have to give a specific command for a specific language. It will automatically detect the language and convert it into the machine encoded text. Google's Cloud Vision API is paid service offered by Google. Sanskrit CR is a free Cloud Vision API service offered by sanskritdictionary.com. So let's come to the practical portion. What are the prerequisites for Sanskrit OCR? It will require internet connection with moderate speed, updated web browser like Firefox, Chrome, Safari or Edge according to the system which you are using. JPG images of the content to be recognized. Remember, only the JPG images will be supported by the system. Other formats of images may or may not be recognized. Text editor like Notepad. Web address to access the online OCR tool. It is ocr.sanskritdictionary.com. Before going to the actual demonstration of how OCR works, please note this tutorial is for academic purpose only. We do not have any affiliation with the service providers and we do not guarantee the accuracy, support and continuity of the products or services being taught here. Here I am using Firefox browser. Enter the address ocr.sanskritdictionary.com. Here the page for online Sanskrit OCR tool has been opened. You can see here is a box where you can drop or paste or upload your image. Click on upload option. Here the window will open. Go to the path where you have gathered all your images. I have compiled my images on desktop. So by going desktop, I have all the images here. I'm going to open this folder and I'm going to choose image from these images. So double click on the image, or you can simply select the image and open the file. Now the process is going on. Wait until the process is completed. It will take some time according to the size of the image and size of the text. So here we are. You can see here in the text box all the text from the image. You can see some unrecognized text here, but it is due to some disturbances in images. There is no problem. You can see the text has been recognized as it is. Perfect. Please note the Sanskrit OCR has not been developed yet that it will recognize the indentation and headers and footers. So it will convert all your text from the page to simple text. It will not format it into the header and footer like this. In the text box you can see here it is Vaidyakiya Subhashit Sahityam. It is the header and other text is completely recognized like Bhavartha, Hitahita Rupaha. You can upload another image, but before that you will need to save this text. To copy the text, click anywhere in the text box, then press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all the text. The complete text will be selected. Then press Ctrl C on your keyboard Then go to the any text editor. I am using here Notepad. Go to the edit and select paste, or you can simply use shortcut key Ctrl V to paste all your converted text. You can upload another image for text recognition. For that, click on clear image, then again go to the upload image option and select another image. Or you can simply drag and drop the image into the window given here. To do that, go to the path where you have stored all your images. For example, I am going here and I want to recognize this file. After selecting the file, go to the browser and drop the file into the box. The process is going on. Wait until the process is being completed. Here we are. The process has been completed and the text has been recognized. Here again you can see there are two languages and two scripts are there. One is Sanskrit language, you can see in Devanagari script, and you can see English language in the English script or Roman script, we can say that. So there is no need to specify the language here. There is no option here to specify the language. Cloud Vision API will recognize the language automatically. So again, if you want to select all the text, go to the edit, click on select all, or you can select by pressing shortcut key, that is Ctrl A. You can go on edit and copy the text by clicking on copy, or by using the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus C, and you can again come to the text box to paste the content. Here I am using the shortcut key Ctrl V for Windows, or you can simply go to the edit and paste. Okay, so this is for English and Sanskrit text. Now let's see if we can recognize any other script in Sanskrit language only. So click on upload. I have gathered some Tamil text related to Bhagavad Gita. Here is the image. So click on the image and open, or simply double click on image. So here it is, perfect. We have content related to Bhagavad Gita in Tamil. So there is no problem. The font character is Unicode. You can copy the text by simply selecting or by pressing Ctrl A, that is select all, Ctrl C for copy, and again you can come to your text editor and paste it in the text editor. Okay. You can use the inbuilt text editor for your text setting, that is indentation, alignment, font style. So let's see another script, that is Gujarati. I have this random image related to Bhagavad Gita in Gujarati. Select the image and open. Perfect. Here you can see all the text is being recognized, and now it is converted into the machine encoded text. So you can copy by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard, then again pressing Ctrl C on your keyboard, and you can paste it in your text editor by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard. Let's see now the handwritten example. Click on clear image. If you have many files, then you can upload them parallelly in multiple tabs. Open new tab, enter the address ocr.sanskritdictionary.com. The window will open. Both windows you can use simultaneously. So here I'm going to drag and drop the file. So go on desktop or wherever you have compiled your files, then click on the file and drop it into the browser window. The process is completed. You can see here there is some problem because the handwriting is not up to the mark, and it is also an old text. So let's see how it has done its work. So footnotes, yes, the footnotes are recognized. Then you can see the number 1, it's also been recognized. Let's see the text. That's Shabdartha Pratyanam Itarettarādhyāsāt Sankarastat Pravibhaga Sanyamat Sarvabhuta Rutadnyanam. Okay, it's recognized nicely. But here you can see there is a bracket, but it has recognized it as a C. It should not be recognized as a C. But there are some limitations of this OCR. Here you can see the number 2. The translation is converted into some another form of word which doesn't have any meaning. So you can see that the handwriting is very important. So the handwritten text is also been recognized. Many times people scan 2 pages on one single file like this. Let me open. Here I have one sample in which 4 number page and 5 number page have been scanned on one single file. The OCR is not yet so developed that it can recognize the difference between these 2 pages, and after recognizing the text it will mix up both the text. We cannot directly upload this image into the OCR, but what we can do, we can crop the page into the 2 halves. Let's see how to do that. Right click on it, open with paint, and then simply cut the page into the half like this. This is now converted into single page. Click on file, save as JPG image, and let's give some number to this page, 4A. Click on save. Now we have the file named as 4A, which is single page image. Okay, now if we recognize this image, then it will be recognized with maximum accuracy. Some important points to be remembered while using Google Cloud Vision API or Sanskrit CR. Select only one JPG file at once. Batch mode or multiple files are not supported by the OCR. The converted text will be in Unicode font and can be edited on any device that supports Unicode font. The Google OCR API is developing continuously and cannot ensure conversion of all the text correctly. Some characters cannot be recognized. We have seen already that some characters can be translated into some unrecognized words. So this is one limitation. The OCR produces same result of an image every time. Note that the OCR is not so developed yet to recognize indentations and tables. Like we have already seen that the headers and footers cannot be recognized separately. If you are using handwritten text, then the handwriting of the content affects a lot on the OCR process. Hence, always try to upload the handwritten content in the neat and clean handwriting. Let's see an example. Here I have example of a bad image. So here we can see the handwriting is not so good. There will be problem recognizing this text. The quality of an image also affects the OCR process in large manner. Resolution of an image, brightness level and contrast level of the image must be ensured at optimum level. Like this image, the contrast is good, the brightness level is also good, and it is scanned using some professional software. Better image quality produces better result. Use latest image scanning apps available on the phones to improve the quality of an image. Processing time is also depends on the internet speed. Slow internet speed takes more time to process an image. If you have good internet speed, then the image will be processed quickly, and if you have slow internet speed, then it will take more time. Thank you for attending the tutorial. Have a nice day.